I'm Limit.
I'm Jenny.
We are from Foshan Suoer Electronic Industry Company. Welcome to visit our online trade show. We are a very powerful factory and have been doing the more than 20 years. There are car amplifiers, speakers, and the other electronic products located in Foshan, Guangdong Province, China. And now please let me introduce the project for today's trade show. Mainly introduce 4 channels. Rated power range from 4 multiply 40 watts to 4 multiply 150 watts. It is the rated powers, and there are no problems that we can also allow accept customized color, logo, and packing. For 4 channels, there are this one is for 40 and 60 watts and 80 watts. Rated power 4 multiply 40 watts, 60 watts and 80 watts stable at 4 OHM, and 4 multiply 60 watts, 80 watts, 90 watts at 2 OHM. The size varies only 2 kg of the net weight. Now let my colleague Jenny introduce the C and this another products.
The second is C case 80.4 and class A B rated power 4 multiply 80 watts. This one is the C case. This one is C case 80.4 and stable at the 4 almost and 4 multiplies 120 watts at the 2 almost, and the size very small. You can see it. Only 2 kilos for net weight. And the cell of the CE 80.4 DE. This one is CE 80.4, and it is class D's rated power 4 multiplies 90 watts, stable at 4 almost, and 4 multiplies 142 watts, the 2 almost. The size also very small, only 2 kgs for net race. This one model have 2 different designs, and 12 voltages is suitable for the car, and 24 voltage is suitable for the bus. For the highest power 4 multiplies 120 and the 4 multiplied for 150, we have class AB full frequency available. This one is the CG 120.4 and this one is CG 150. Both of them is 4 channel and class D, but their rate power is different. So the power is different, the forest and the size race is also different. The CG 120 and the range is 4 multiplies 120 watts. CG 150.4 rate power is 4 multiplies 150 watts. The range of this one and is less than this one is about 1 kilos.
Okay, later let's try to eat and code the conduction start audition. And each of our products has been reported, and we have the strict process on quality control management, and every process from assessment from impression to exchange test instruction.
Finally, we will continue to work hard and develop more products to fit in our product line and win more customers. If you have any you need to know or have any question to discuss, you can connect us.
And now let's talk about the feature of our 4 channels. And the first one, what are the feature of the CE channel?
This one, 4 channel, it is a basis power amplifier and class AB, full frequency, competitive price.
And what about the feature of the CE product?
This one, C is 80s. The product is mini typo and class D, power amplifier, and you can see it's very small and the largest power.
Oh, very minute.
Mm.
And the last one, what are the advantage of the CD series? Please
This
show
one,
us.
CG, the advantages of the products are class AB, range, powers, double side, and circles for high power, good health, dissipation.
Yeah, okay.
Now, let's talk about the advantage and the function of CK80s models. This one.
Okay, let's show this advantage of these models. And this one have many advantages. And first one is very small size, like very small, and symmetrical and neat and competitive price, and very cheap. And the second, the timbre is very distinct, and the timbre is selected, and the bass is very strong and powerful, and the deep is very deep. And the third have 3 working modes of high and low pass, full frequency. And the fourth can be stereo, bridge 2 working stars, and can bridge. And the fifth, there are over voltage and negative voltage protection circuits to protect the machine and the battery. So it's very many advantages. Welcome to Bali. And next time, now we let the engineer show you the wiring of our 4 channels car amplifier. Like
Let's
my
show you
engineer.
the engineer show.
镜头有点转过来，转过来拍啥？来，来，过来解释一下，怎么回事？一样的吗？啊，这边是电源线。
The wires connect the car amplifier and the power source.
对，电源线。
And this
这个是我们的一个正极负极嘛，接地。
and this the negative wire.
这就是一个控制线，接
It's
主机的。
the control wires and connect the whole machine. This machine is put in the car.
这个就是接喇叭的。
And this 4 wires is connect the speakers.
2路的就接2个喇叭，4路就接4个喇叭。
And the 2 channels is connect 2 speakers, and the 4 channels can connect the 4 speakers. Just like this.
这些就是输入信号输入前面。
And here the wires have the input and output over here.
那我们这个是要经过了一个 DSP 的一个处理。
And here we can connect the DSP machine.
对。
And now let's show the music.
虽然你妈。
让我掉下眼泪的不止你昨夜的酒，让我依依不舍的不止你的温柔。一路还要走多久？你攥着我的手，让我感到为难的是挣扎的自由。分别总是在9月，唯一是思念的愁。深秋冷雨的吹流，亲吻着我额头，在那座隐蔽的小城里，我从未经历。
Okay, let's show you our showroom. And here is put many of our car amplifier here and many different models. Not only the 4 channels, also have another the 1 channel and the 5 channel. And later we will also make it more and more different models. And now I show you this is our package, and this is our logo package like Suoer brand. And also we can change the dog as you want. If you have the quantity, it's okay. And this one is the 2 channel. And the next time we will show you. And this is the silver color. This one is also many customers like it. And this one is the black. It's very classical the color. It's very famous color. And here also have many speakers. And these speakers is suited for our car amplifier. Our engineer and our colleagues also will introduce which one is suited for the song. Like if you need, we will show you. Okay, today I'll show is end, and next time we will show another car amplifier like the 1 channel, the 2 channels, and the 5 channel. And see you next time.